This tutorial will walk you through the steps of finding and completing assignments and activities posted by your student's teacher. If your student has a new activity or assignment given to them by their teacher, they will receive a notification bubble next to the activity's light bulb. This notification bubble will usually be a red circle. Clicking on the activity's light bulb will take you to any assignments or activities that have been assigned. When a student has an assignment or activity and you are looking at it in the activities light bulb section, you will see all of the information your student needs to complete the work. You will see the title of the activity, and right beneath the title, you will see the instructions left by your student's teacher. You may also see audio instructions that have been recorded by the teacher, and you can choose to listen to those as well. Clicking on the green Add Response button is how your student will complete their work. After clicking the button, they will select their name and be taken to the assignment canvas. Here, the student has access to all sorts of different tools needed to complete the assignment. Your student will have access to several different tools to use while completing the assignment according to your teacher's instructions. If at any time you want to look back at the instructions, you can click View Instructions at the top of the page, and a pop-up will show the instructions left by the teacher. Some of the tools available to your student on the left side of the screen are the T, which would open up an empty text box for your student to respond with text. The microphone will open up the opportunity for your student to record their voice to go along with their work. The camera gives your student the opportunity to take a photo or a video or upload a photo or a video to go along with the assignment if that is in the teacher's instructions. The extra options include shapes and backgrounds, which may be a part of the teacher's instructions. Along the bottom of the screen are several different tools that the student can use for writing or moving objects. Your student can use the pointer on the left of the bottom toolbar in order to drag objects around on the screen. Your student can use the pencil in order to write with pencil on their assignment. Other writing tools are a marker, a highlighter, and a magic marker. On the far right of the toolbar is the eraser, which your student can use to erase any work they may need to. Other things your student may need to do in completing an assignment might be to work through multiple pages. On the right of the screen, you can see that page number 1 is highlighted. If an assignment has multiple pages, you will be able to just tap on the upcoming pages to change the work that you are seeing. You may also use the Add Page icon at the bottom to add a blank page to an assignment. When an assignment is complete and all the directions have been completed, your student will turn in their assignment by clicking on the green check mark on the top right of their activity canvas. Their assignment will be uploaded and their teacher will receive a notification that their work is complete. If you're having any difficulty finding and completing activities or assignments on SeeSaw, please reach out to your student's teacher.